any form of illness, this
Yeah.
one.
Deal
Every living thing that I know
Yeah.
consume this.
My JamHearts family, how to do? Awesome, I'm back in the Blue Mountains, the lush green vegetative Blue Mountains here in Jamaica. I'm at the School of Vision, a Rasta community here, and I'm at my brother Joseph and his wife's place, Empress Asil. Last time we came here, we did a video on herbs for poor circulation. Today, I'm doing one on herbs for nerves problem. 7 of them. I'm gonna share them with you right now. If you're here for the first time and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you now to join us. I'm on a journey to share what I call the real Jamaica, the real people of Jamaica, the essence of Jamaica, medicinal herbs of Jamaica, attractions in Jamaica, you name it, all the good stuff about Jamaica. I don't want you to miss any of that. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you now to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you stay updated on all my latest videos. Alright guys, here they are, my brother Joseph, man, the king, and Empress Asil, back here at the School of Vision in Blue Mountain, Jamaica. Herbs for nerves problem, number one.
Number one, we have dandelion.
Dandelion, man.
Dandelion, very, very good for a lot of things, but today we depend on nerves.
How do you use it?
Well, we dry it, we work with the moon,
Uh-huh.
right? And then we dry it, coil it,
Uh-huh.
and sip it, and drink it like a tea.
All right. So your husband in the first video had mentioned the moon, and we talk about the moon. For those persons who probably didn't see the video at all, when you say the moon, what do you mean about? So just educate them about the moon, the timing of the moon, and so on. In terms
Well,
of the
we
herb.
work from the full moon to the new moon.
Okay.
That's the time when the medicine in the herbs is the most
Strongest.
potent.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So dandelion, very, very good for the nerves.
Yeah. So it's a leaf. Yeah, you use here,
Well,
right?
we'll use the leaves and we use the beans from it also. We have it in a powder form. So we drink it like tea.
Like coffee, I know that much.
Yes.
How often again do you drink? And
Well,
how much?
as we said, some people nerves gone bad. So it depends. As my husband did say earlier, as you start take it, you start get results.
Yeah.
So the more you take it, the faster you get results.
Use it quail or dried or quail.
Yes.
All right. And how many tea? How many?
Well, we up here, we love things strong.
Yeah.
Because we walk 400 foot come up here, steps to come up here.
Guys, I tell you that
So-
much. I didn't show you that, but I did that. I can
Everything-
boast that I did the Blue Mountain walk up the hill.
Yes.
Yes.
So we have to use things strong up here
Yeah.
to be strong to come up that mountain.
Yes.
This mountain.
Yes.
Right?
All right.
So dandelion, we use, for some people out there, they can use all 1, 2, 3.
Like that.
Yeah,
Like
because
that. That's
it's
good.
small.
Yeah.
So, so you take time and drink it like that. But we up here, we all broke all a nice portion and
I make
do
it.
we thing.
I wanted to clarify. Just grab the opportunity to clarify that there are many different types of dandelion. We're talking about the one that we call dandelion, Jamaican dandelion. It's in the description, guys, and its scientific name is also on screen if you want to research it further. So go ahead and research it if you need to get any additional information on it. But this is the one we're talking. This is how it looks.
Yep.
We call it Jamaican dandelion. Number one. Number two.
Right?
Oh, I'm gonna give number two. We're gonna spice it up a little bit. So let the king come and talk about number two. Number two is guava.
Yeah, man.
And how we use this one again, my brother, for nerves problem.
All right. Same thing. You just get it. You get your herbs when it's full moon or dark night. Yeah, and you dry it and you boil your tea with it. If you want, if you're making 1 cup of tea, you can use all 4 leaf.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're making 2, 3, 4, you can even the whole of this. You can just when it dry, fold it up and you boil it.
Yeah.
And you make your tea. Whether you want to use no sugar, whether you want to use sugar or honey.
Yeah.
And you drink it.
Yeah.
Yeah, for your nerves, and it all depends on how your nerve system is. Because once you start drink it, you will start feel your system getting stronger.
All right.
Yeah, and it also make you rest.
Yes.
Because most time when the nerves damage is because of lack of rest,
Ah.
overwork and all those stuff.
Very big point. Very big point. So you would suggest that in addition to the herbs, people did take rest, proper rest.
Yes, man, you have to get
and
rest.
Both mind, body, and soul.
Everything.
Because physically and mentally,
yes,
the body probably worrying about a lot about other stuff as well.
Yes.
So that's important.
Yeah, man, you have to get your rest.
Yeah.
And you drink your tea, whether in the morning or in the day, in the night. And it's good when you take it sometime, most of the time in the night too. Yeah, because when you're going to your bed, it more relax you.
Yeah.
And you get to even work through your system even proper while you're resting.
All right, cool. Awesome. Guava leaf. Number 3, back to Empress Asil, number 3. She's loving it, guys. Number 3.
Soursop Leaf.
Soursop leaf. How you do that? That's a whole heap of soursop leaf you have there.
Yes,
so how much leaf and how you prepare it?
Well, I would say 3 leaves per cup.
Depending on the sauce. Some sauce are bigger leaf.
Yes.
But generally, I just say it could depend, right?
Yep. Yeah, man. Everybody knows soursop. Soursop is potent from the leaf to the fruit to the bark. Very good for so much things. The nerves, calm, even for baby.
Yeah.
Granny used to give it for baby as if make we go sleep fast.
Well, I tell you what, I've been learning so much from people like you. I've been interviewing and learning about herbs, Jamaican herbs. The Soursop leaf is one of them I think I have the most knowledge of. It's a powerful, potent herb plant. It's been researched. I think there was a lecturer, a professor at the University of UTech. I think it's Dr. Lowe or Dr. Williams or one of them who has been researching this. I stand corrected, but one of them have been doing some extensive work on Soursop leaf and in relation to cancer. You know that?
Yes, man. Very good. Man.
Potent, dangerous, and something normal this.
No,
but today we're not talking about so much cancer. We're talking about nerves. You said drink it, go to your bed.
Yeah, man.
Are you good?
Sleep like a baby.
Yeah.
You wake up in the morning, feel very energetic.
All right, good. Yes. All right, number 3. That's number 1. Is that number 3? Guava. Number 4. Back to my brother.
Yeah, man. Number 4, is the hibiscus.
Yes.
Yeah. So hibiscus, you use the hibiscus, as I said, you get it and you dry your herbs. And you use your hibiscus and you boil your tea. When you boil it, it's best to me. I recommend that when you're using these stuff for nerves, you use honey or molasses. Honey alongside with molasses help to strengthen your nerve system.
As well, yes.
Yes.
They complement it.
Yes, I.
Lovely. Again, I should mention, guys, that a lot of these herbs we talk about as well, different, independent of this series. We have a video on herbs we have a video on hibiscus. I'll link in the description as well about all the health benefits of hibiscus. Nerves though, we're focusing on nerves today. And we said we drink it. You said you recommend how many leaves? Is the leaf we talk? Well, the leaf or the...
You can use anything.
Any part of it.
Yeah, you can even use all the flowers.
Yeah.
To make, you can dry it same way, and you can boil it, dry it like sorrel.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And use it as a juice.
Yes.
Yeah, and even put it in your refrigerator and drink a glass in the morning, a glass in the evening.
Cool.
Build up your nerve system same way.
Hibiscus, yes, guys. Number 5. What is this though?
Search my heart.
Search my heart. By the way, we put in the scientific names are on screen as well for them if you want to research. Wherever you are in the world and you want to research this further, you may not identify the local name. We have it, guys, but the scientific name is on screen if you want to research it further. But this is Search Me Heart. How you prepare it?
Well, as we say, we work with the moon same way. And we dry it or quail it, and you put it in. You see the leaf, them long like tongue.
Yeah.
All 1 leaf is good for your cup.
Okay, cool.
You know, yeah. And you use honey and sweeten it, or molasses, or just like that.
Yeah.
Yes, and sometimes we do make roots and put it in it too, because it's really good for the nerves. We put all the nerves herbs together and make a nerves root tonic wine.
All right. Well, as I mentioned, tonic. Guys, stay tuned. We're gonna talk about how you can reach out to these awesome folks. They have their own line of herbal products here. We're gonna share that at the end as well. All right. Yes. Anything else you want to mention on the Search Me Heart? We capture the essence of it. Oh, by the way, it dries very fast. You know.
Yes, man. Yes,
it's one of the herbs that I'm familiar with, that as you break it and put it down to dry it. Yes. By the next day or maybe the evening, it's quail and ready for use.
Yes, Search Me Heart.
You like it, huh?
Yes, I love
and it have a nice aroma.
Yes.
And very strong. My daughter love it with we use soy milk in there. and she like it for tea. It have a nice flavor.
Yes,
Search me heart. How it smell? It smell.
Nice.
Smell nice. It have its own
When it boil,
smell, you know.
then you smell the aroma.
Yeah, man, from far too.
Yes.
Cool. All right, number 5, search me heart. Number 6.
Raon.
All right, Ramon. We got the roots and the root stuff, the strong stuff.
Yeah, these are the leaves.
Leaf
And
of the
little
Ramon
yes,
tree.
Yes. But normally when this is like you're making tea or so forth. But if normally you're boiling roots or stuff like that, you would use the bark. Yeah, because it's good when you use the bark or the root of something when you're boiling roots.
Yes.
But this now you dry it. You remember, all herbs is best when you get it the full moon into dark night.
Yes.
And you dry your leaves and you boil your tea if you're drying tea or stuff like that. And you boil it and you sweeten it. I said recommended again for honey and molasses.
Yeah. Ideally, yes.
Because some people can't take molasses neither. So we recommend honey then.
Yeah.
Because those are the stuff that good for the nerve system.
Yes. Complement it.
Yes, I.
All right, good. Very important, very important. So we focus. We say herbs, but we're adding some of those other products that can help as well to complement it. And we appreciate. If you appreciate that guy, put a like right now. Give him a like right now. All right, that's number. What is that? Number 6.
Yeah.
Number 7 now. This one is gonna surprise some people now. What is this?
Dry banana leaf.
You see a banana leaf where we cut up and throw it.
Dry banana
What we burn
trash.
and dash away and trash.
Very, very good.
Tell us about it and how you use it.
Well, good for the nerves also. Again,
Is it banana in general? Banana leaf? Banana in general?
well,
or just...
banana from it good. The fruit comes straight down.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Right. The banana leaf would like how it dries, so you just take off some and just cut it up. Because if it's too long for you to put in a little teapot, you just cut it up and put in it and just dry it. And good to go. You drink it at night and it calm your nerves.
Yeah.
And you sleep wonderful, same way like a baby.
Most of these herbs that you recommend as tea, I realize. Right? Most of tea.
Man.
Okay.
Tea is the best way to get it to the system.
Okay.
Because it's hot.
It work. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Yes, so it go through your system and best at night when you go and sleep.
Yeah. Okay.
So while you're resting, take it time and do it work and do it have to do.
Awesome. Both of you, so somebody might be saying, wow, these people know so much stuff about this stuff. What qualified them? Tell them about how many years you're into this and how local knowledge you got and all of that stuff.
All right. Basically, from a tender age, growing up as a little youth in the country, in Manchester, with my grandparents, they always teach us about the herbs. Cause remember back in those days, the people normally run to the doctor and them stuff. Yes, they will go to the doctor and find out what's the problem. And then come home and you see them run around the corner and then grab them little herbs and boil. People belly are hurt, little children belly are hurt, then grandma run go get little herbs and so you get it from there and you do your when you get big now you do your studies and your research.
At School of Vision here as part of the community, you guys have obviously learned through the Rastafarian community as well.
Yes, we learn a lot up here, man. We learn about Rastafari, that's the first thing. And then the herbs, yes, we learn about it. We have other brothers and sisters in the community know about herbs, so each one teach one.
I tell you what, I think one thing I appreciate with the Rastafarian community is that the team, the community, first of all, the community is tight, number one, and number two, you guys stick to the natural stuff. Natural food, natural herbs and so on. Man, and that is why it looks so healthy. I have to go get some.
No problem, man. Before you leave, man, we hook you up.
Oh, we're going to take some of them tea off the drink, man. Well, I think of Blue Mountain, All right, so that's 7 guys, but we have a bonus for you.
Yes.
We have a bonus. We're going to take it to you right now. We're going inside. This one is special, all right? All right, guys, so this is the bonus, which remains nameless, or actually, if I have a name for it, what you call it?
Healing of the nation.
The healing of the nation. All right. This is it, and this is good for nerves too.
Yes, man.
All right. And how you use it, my brother?
Well, you have many different ways of using this special herbs. Yeah, man. You can boil it. You can steam it. You can cut it up even in your vegetables and steam it and eat it. Yeah. Some people smoke it.
Yeah.
All those stuff. And so there's many different ways.
So this one is can use in many forms.
This one
proven
for any form of illness. This one.
Every
Every living thing that I know consume this.
All right. And so the world is coming to eventually know about it.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Your eyes are opening.
All right. This is it, guys. The bonus one.
Yep.
All right. What do you think about that? The healing of the nation. So I mentioned, guys, that these folks, these good folks, these loving folks here, have a thriving business, a herbal business, and I want you to share with my audience a couple of the products that we mentioned that are good for nerves and how they can reach you. This one is which one?
Hibiscus. This is how we make this is the hibiscus petals, which we call the flowers. We have it in a powder form. So this one now, when you can boil it and you can dry it like sorrel and drink it. You can put it like tea. Very, very nice. They have a very rich red.
Oh yeah, I was just about to ask you. You will keep the red color.
Yes, man.
Oh,
very,
I love
very
that.
rich. And
good. This and the other one you have.
We have the dandelion.
And this is the powder now, or the
yes, the dandelion.
Sorry,
sorry.
The
seeds.
The seeds now.
Yes.
This is the seed, the powder of the seeds.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Good.
Very good. Tastes like coffee.
Yeah, I know.
And it's very, very good. You can drink it like juice also. You can boil it and make it cool. You add your honey to it and drink it like juice.
You know, somebody reached out to me and asked me, said they want 50 pounds of this. The dandelion powder. I said I don't know where to get that. But anyway, your number we're gonna share right now. Is there another one? Those are the two main ones, right? By the way, guys, there's several other products that they have here at the School of Vision. The name of the business again is
Empress Asil's Natural Products.
That is on Instagram.
Yes.
And the phone number
is 424-2712.
And it's 374-3004.
All right. And this is 876 in Jamaica.
Yes.
And WhatsApp as well, I presume.
Yes.
Right? Both numbers are on WhatsApp.
Yes.
All right, guys. If you want any of these products or anything related to herbs and herbal medication, these guys know them stuff.
Yes.
Right? Reach out to them and they'll take care of you. Thank you so much, Empress Asil. Thank you so much, my brother. One love. And thank you for all you do, man. Blessed. That's it, guys. Herbs for nerves. Courtesy of my brother Joseph and his beautiful wife, Empress Asil. Which one jumped out at you? Which one surprised you? I'd love to hear from you. Put it in the comment. And remember to share this video. Come on, man. Enlighten other people. They need to know. We don't have to suffer. Come on. Share this information right now. Another video. The first video that we did. Herbs for poor circulation. You need to see it. It's in the description. And it's in the card above. See you in that one.